I have here an epoxy resin kit, a 2-gallon set here, and it comes with lots of fun accessories. So I'm going to try it out and make some fun little crafts. So I just opened this up. I'm going to use this to kind of protect things and make sure I don't spill on things. And I'm going to start opening things up here. We got cups and different measuring cups here, and it comes with tons of different fun little color things you can add to it, and lots of different colors, and the fun, even like little sparkle, little designs things here, and little scrapers, and little picking up for the resin and different mixing tools. So I'm going to just get ready what I'm going to use for mine and show you how easy it is to use. So this is a 1-to-1 volume ratio. So I'm going to just use the cup to measure it, and I'll make sure it's equal or it will not set up properly. So you'll want to get the tool you want to mix it. I'm just going to use this to mix it. And you're going to want to make sure you mix in one direction, making sure you get all the areas mixing everywhere. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to mix it. You will get some bubbles, so make sure not to mix too fast. And after you're all done mixing for the couple minutes, you can let it sit and let it defoam for about 3 minutes, and all the bubbles will dissipate and will go away, and then you can pour it out. So I'm going to start. I'm just going to do one and then see how much I got in it, and then I will mix in the other. So now I need to make sure I have equal parts. So I just need to see where I filled it to and equal up with the second one. So I'm just taking my time stirring it, not rushing it, making sure I'm going slow enough that I'm not going to get too many bubbles, while scraping the sides really good. And then I can start using it when it is ready. Now that I'm done mixing it, I'm just gonna let it sit for about 3 minutes to get all the rest of the bubbles to finish going away. And then I can start pouring and mixing different colors to this. So I have a fun silicone mold of some little Lego bricks here. So I'm going to use that. And I have another little disposable cup. It's smaller to help mix in some color, so I don't have to use my bigger cups. So I'm just going to take it, pour a little bit into this cup here, and I'm going to mix in some color so I can do my fun bricks. So I'm just going to shake the color real quick for a second, and then I can just open it and just add a few drops, and I can always add more, but I can't take it away. So I'll just start and see how it goes. So I did have to poke a little hole through the top. It was very easy, just a little pin. And then I can put the lid back on and I can mix up what I have here. So the color mixes really well. It's the same kind of concept, just mix it slowly as you're mixing it in so you don't get tons more bubbles, and then you can just let it rest for a minute before you decide to pour it into the molds or whatever you're making. This one mixed really well. That one's ready to go. So let's let these rest for a second, and then I'm ready to make my fun little Lego bricks. So now I'm just ready. So I'm just gonna slowly pour it in so I can get into those little tiny holes that I have. And just kind of go and fill the whole thing up. So I got these done, and so next I'm going to try some fun stars with these fun little glitter little stars themselves to make it really fun. So I'm going to use these nice little tweezers here to kind of help me pick these up, and I'm going to stick them inside here, and then I can use something to help me mix it up. So I just grabbed a little toothpick to kind of help me mix these in a little bit. It's gonna be really fun to have the stars within the stars. So I'm gonna do a little bit of mica powder here. Just going to carefully pour a little bit in here. And then I'm just gonna mix it and see if I need some more. So the powder worked really good. It's ready to just pour in. I got a clear one here. I'm gonna add something else to it, and I'm gonna do a purple one over here. So these powders, you can also do other things with them. There's so many things you can do. You can even put a little bit in and make little streaks. The fun things you can do with this kind of stuff is endless. You're just gonna be creative and do whatever you want. So now I'm gonna do some fun gold. I'm just gonna kind of put it on the top, and then I can use a little toothpick or whatever you want to kind of push it in, or if you wanted to leave it on top. So I'm gonna do this, and then we'll just push it in. So now that I'm done with my little project for the night, I can just let this harden up for about 24 hours, and then I can pop them out of the molds and see what they look like. So this epoxy set was lots of fun. You can see my finished products right here. Turned out really well. The color's really fun. It like solidified really well. Super easy to get out of molds. You just pop them straight out. Adding the fun little glitter stuff inside it makes it really fun. Gives it a fun little effect. Even the gold foil is really fun in this little fish mold right here. And then you can see this other coloring has a different fun effect as well. So they all have different effects and different things you can do with it. So it's going to be great for anyone who's just new to epoxy or experienced epoxy users, because there's so many different fun things, and it's very simple and easy to use.